Unsaturated solutions, saturated solutions, how do these solutions differ from each other? Hello SciPals! I am Sir Michael Prack, your science teacher for today. In this episode of Agham Alam Hub, we are going to investigate the properties of unsaturated and saturated solutions. We will also demonstrate how unsaturated and saturated solutions are made. Finally, we will appreciate the importance of understanding the nature of unsaturated and saturated solutions. In the next few minutes, we will explore science for another moment. Remember that a solution is a homogeneous mixture. It is composed of two or more substances which are physically combined, well mixed, and forms one phase only. The process wherein solutions are formed is called dissolution. Its particles are evenly spread throughout, and they are so small to be seen by our naked eyes. They cannot be separated by filtration. A solution has two components, the solute and the solvent. Solute is the substance that is dissolved in a solution. Most of the time, it has a smaller amount compared to the solvent. Meanwhile, solvent is the substance that dissolves the solute. It is usually larger in amount than the solute. Let us prepare a solution using sugar and water. In a beaker, with 100 milliliters of water, let us add 5 grams of sugar. Let us stir the mixture. What have you noticed in the sugar solution after stirring it for a while? Correct! The sugar totally dissolved in water. This mixture is called unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution is a type of solution that contains less solute than the maximum amount it can dissolve. This time, let us add another 5 grams of sugar to the solution. Let us again stir the mixture. What do you observe in the beaker? That's right. There are sugar particles that settled at the bottom and did not dissolve in the water. Why is this so? It is because the water reached its saturation point. Saturation point is the stage wherein a solvent can no longer dissolve a solute. This type of solution is called saturated solution. In our example, the excess amount of sugar is the evidence that the solution is already saturated. Understanding the difference between unsaturated and saturated solutions will help us maximize the use of products that we consume in our daily lives. Whenever we dissolve powdered juices and milk and 3-in-1 coffee mixes in our morning drink, we need to consider the amount of solute and solvent we use to ensure that all of these substances will dissolve. With this, we can be assured that our resources will not be wasted whenever we prepare solutions. In this episode of Agham Alam Hub, we investigated the properties of unsaturated and saturated solutions. Unsaturated solution is a type of solution that contains less solute than the maximum amount it can dissolve. Saturated solution is a type of solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a given amount of solvent. Undissolved solute in a solution indicates that it is already saturated. Understanding the difference between unsaturated and saturated solutions will help us maximize the use of products that we consume in our daily lives. We need to consider the amount of solute and solvent we use to ensure that all substances will dissolve. With this, we can be assured that our resources will not be wasted whenever we prepare solutions. That's all for today, SciPals. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you again next week for another moment. Only here in Agham Alam Hub, Palladian's SciTech Portal. Bye!